Here he comes. Ooh, yeah. So I've just realized that order wasn't actually for me. That was for the next door neighbor, getting some baby furniture. So I'll have to wait for the next one. Here we go. Here he is. Here we go. Here it is. Exciting. Welcome to my unboxing of the Canyon Endurace CFSL8. I told Harry that he could help me put this together, but I think I'm just going to do it now. So Harry can't come over right now. He has to work, unfortunately. I've asked him if he can bail on work tomorrow so he can come and help me. So let's see if he does that or not. Okay, Harry's not coming. He's not available until Friday, which is 4 days away. Sorry, Harry, I can't wait that long. I'm going to get started immediately. Unfortunately, though, my pedals have not arrived yet, so hopefully they come by the end of the week. But I'm going to get started with the bike build. Okay, I'd also like to add, I have no idea what I'm doing. I can't see any instructions. I might have to look them up online. So let's just start pulling things out and see what happens. A saddle. One of the wheels, 28mm tires. It's nice. Okay, warning. In the interest of safety, it is recommended that you have this bicycle assembled by a skilled mechanic. That won't be happening. The rest of it just comes out together, maybe. There we go. So it really just looks like you only put the saddle in, the front wheel, and the handlebars. So I've just found this in the box. Quick start guide. Maybe I should have looked at this earlier. So have some instructions in here which we'll go through. Got some tools here, a torque wrench, assembly paste, some screwdriver heads. That's for me. What else we have? Oh, there's a lot of paper in here. Whoa, and here's the manual. Okay, so I've got the handlebars detached from the frame now. I've just got these two cables here that go through the frame. Okay, so I need to remove the tape from around this wedge here. There's a little bit of paste inside here, but I think I'll need to add some more with that assembly paste from what they're saying in these instructions here. So I'll just do that now. Okay, so I moved the frame over to lean up against the couch. I just need to take the top cap off. And I've decided I'm not going to put any of the assembly paste in. There's already some on there. Okay, we can't let this get on the couch. Now, I guess we'll just put these on. No, we don't. We have to put the wedge in first. Something like that. Now I'll put the top cap back on. Okay, so I put the bike frame back in the box just because it's what one of the guys online was doing. Yeah, sits in there pretty well. Helps the setup. Yeah, if you're doing this, I would probably recommend taking off all the packaging, or as much as you can while it's in the box, and don't get excited like I did and just take everything out. So I put my top cap on, and after a while, after probably about a minute, I realized it looked like this, and it seemed as though I'd over tightened it, but I was quite sure that just inside here near where the wedge would be, there was a marking of 4 Newton meters, but I contacted Canyon and they told me that definitely don't use a torque wrench for this. So you just need to tighten it just using an Allen key. Just tighten it enough so it's stable. So I'm just going to do that now. Take the old one off and put the new one on. Canyon were nice enough to just send me a new one free of charge, so that was lovely. So thanks for that. They were really great to deal with. Really nice guy that called me up. So yes, I'm going to do that now. This is the new one they sent me. Thanks, Canyon. So there are 2 little studs underneath here that I'll make sure they're in place. Very nice. Tightening. So that's done. So you can see this was the old one. See all the markings around from me tightening it too much. And now this is the new one. That looks a bit better. Thanks, Canyon, for sending that out. That's awesome. Move on. So this part here is it's very hard to see, but 5 Newton meters. So I'll just adjust a torque wrench. Okay, so now I've got the assembly paste here. I'll just put it over the seat post. Rub a little bit on. Okay. Saddle. There we go, we're getting there. Yeah, go for it. Okay. So disc brakes are a new thing for me. I have no idea goes, but I've been reading on some of the instructions that say don't tweak the levers here while the wheels aren't on. So I could be wrong, but I'm not going to do it. So I imagine that the next step is to put the front wheel on. Take the axle out. Now, do you want to first? Cool. Okay, so they're on side 4. I want to take that. Harry, I need you. Okay, so I just realised that this thing was wedged in the brakes, in between the 2 brake pads. That's why I couldn't get the wheel in. Let's try that again. That's okay. There we go. Wow. So I'll just start off with this first, and then I'll put the torque wrench on it. And now I can probably lean it up against the wall. Okay, well the brakes work. Front and rear, that's good. So I still need to put pedals on it. I'm waiting for these to arrive. I could possibly put the ones from my other bike on, but I think I'll just wait a little bit and just put the right ones on, and then I'll go from there. Harry's here helping with the pedal installation.
Put this down, you know.
Can I be of more help, Harry?
Success.
Cool. Alright, that's the left one done. Harry brought the grease.
Just apply a little bit with your finger.
This is all stuff we've learned from GCN, which Harry's wearing his t-shirt. I'm wearing mine. Oh yeah.
Top and bottom. Nice even spread.
Lovely. And,
You applied the pedal the wrong one. It's backwards.
is it backwards?
Oh wait, no.
No, I think it's that's good.
It's
We're good.
Never mind.
We're good.
False alarm.
Tricky Harry.
Wait a second.
Alright. Alright, Harry's going to video from his angle. So, we're in anti-clockwise for this way, didn't we?
Clockwise. Yes.
Yeah, that feels good. So we have a full bike here now. Both pedals are on. Thanks, Harry. We need to get rid of this thing. What's it called again?
The dog disc.
The dog disc. Oh, that's pretty simple.
How do I actually get it off? Oh, here it is. There's a break in the thing.
Or do we have to take the wheel off?
Can we just cut through the plastic?
Yeah, I think that might be what we do. Yeah. Okay, test ride number 1. Big success with Harry last night. Managed to get the pedals on. Bike's all here. That's not the greatest angle, sorry. So Harry has taught me that take the bike out for a spin and give the disc brakes a bit of a squeeze. So yeah, so I'm going to do that now. Feels good. Feels great. Okay, so after taking the bike for just a little spin down the street, I can already sense that this is going to be a much better fit for me than my other bike, which was a medium-large frame, and this is a large frame, so even without a bike fit, it feels much better. I need to tighten up the pedals a little bit. They're a little bit loose with the cleats, so that's quite easy to do. And yeah, and just looking forward to riding this. So if anyone out there is looking to get a Canyon Endurace, so far I would highly recommend it with about the 200 meters that I've ridden. Yeah, so if you do end up getting one, enjoy. See ya.